Actress Shayna TV. Subscribe. Buduf Buff. Quaff. Believe, man.
Up and running in the morning. The place look full of frost and I'm off to work. Yeah. Somebody at Freeport in Montego Bay. Yeah. Somebody at Freeport and me I want to go look taxi. Somewhere to work. Yeah. Bright and early. Peace out. For now. Look over my head. The mangoes them start to ripen. Look there, cup of mango. Big fish. Oh man. Big fish. Oh, see another one there. Another big fish. Big fish. Big fish in the water. Yeah man, of them big fish here in the water. You see him take time watch him like he wants to swim away. One next big one down this way, you know? Yeah, me see a whole lot of them. Big and small. And then right out there, so whole heap of small ones out there. Watch him take time and move. If me could just catch him, Jesus. If me could just catch the big fish there. If it's one thing I like with work, yes, that stringy mango tree here, it's right next to the apartment where me there. People look for mango. Look for mango over my head. Like look at mangoes and then start to ripe. I'm gonna show you them. Mango start to ripe. See the mango they are ground. Mango on the ground. Whole heap of mango in a tree when they are ready for ripe up. I don't know nothing cool. It's mango time, and then what makes me so lucky when they're right next to the mango tree. So because I am right next to the mango tree, I don't really feel nowhere. If mango drop, me can't catch them quick. You know what I mean? Full up my bag, one thing come mango ripe, one thing. Well, this is what I use in the machine. This is called token. token. So I just leave work and I am going back home. I forgot I'm going to take taxi, bus park. So I will see if I get a drive to go down in town. And then we get a drive from Mobile to go home. So I just want to stay tuned for the next little part. You see my face shine. It's so hot. Watch. So hot. Hot. You see one thing with the up here, so now I don't really get drive fast because enough drive not come all the way around here, so I have to walk, I walk go all the way down there. And when I reach a roundabout, I go pass the roundabout. So as a matter of fact, I just walk until I get drive and it's so hot. Because as I tell you, enough drive don't really come way up here, so worse certain time like now when you not have enough people on the road, because up here hotel and thing, and I know mostly guests up at them side there and some private hotel and them look away there, so you're not gonna find a whole heap of people. That's why the taxi them not run so frequently up here. So hard to get drivers in. When I walk, I soon get a taxi though. I'm almost reached to the roundabout. See, me almost reached the roundabout there. I have secret over there, so see me reach right there roundabout. You have secret over there and you have breathless over there. See? Yes, I'm there one rich part of Mobile. Yeah, rich people up at them a party up here, so. Nice hotel, man. Secret nice and breathless nice too. Breathless always going with a bag of things over there. When we enjoy breathless. But secret nice, cause we've been to secret already, but I've never been to breathless. Like we stay over. I think we got them foam party. Yeah, only that. But over there nice though. So guys, I get no drive it. Still walking, as you can see. I mean I go all the way down the road, down the sun until me get a taxi.